guys, welcome to my channel, Mel's Just Simple. I'm Mel and welcome to part 2 of my Christmas Undecorate with me in my kitchen. As y'all saw in the previous video, I did pack away all my Christmas mugs in 2 tubs. In total there were probably 60 to 65 mugs, and now I'm going to get ready to start packing away my canisters. There aren't a lot of canisters, but they're huge, so I'm hoping that they fit in that 1 tub, or else I would have to get another one. I hope you enjoyed the last video. If you did, please continue to watch this video and come with me throughout this unpacking process. I'm still a little bit sad that I have to pack up all my Christmas decor, but I'm on to the next season. I'm going back to my basics, and I will be going on to the next, Valentine's Day, I guess? I'll see. So stay tuned and come along.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done now that we're...
So I just wanted to pop back in and show you guys some pieces that I got after I fully decorated my kitchen, and also some pieces that I got this year that were on clearance at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Home Goods. So I'm going to show you guys that this is the Christmas picture that I wanted. I wanted the red one, but I haven't seen it, and I got it off clearance, and it was $7.50. And I can't wait to display it this year. This year, Christmas 2021. Also, I wanted reindeer snacks for the longest, and I got it as well. I found it. I'm super happy. It doesn't have the clearance sticker on it, but I got it for $10. Also, I found another red canister. This is not the Believe canister that I wanted, but it's the Ho 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 red canister. And I didn't know I wanted it until I saw it, and here it is. And I got it on clearance for $10. Okay? Now, I think this one was a online release. This is Deck the Halls with the topper. And I did get this on clearance. I'm not too sure. Oh, I think it was $8 or $9 I got this off of. Yeah, so I got this one off clearance as well. And I didn't know I wanted it, but I wanted it actually, but I know I wasn't going to get it because this was an online release, I think. And it was 2 of them somebody returned, and I grabbed one. So here's the next canister that I found on clearance, and it was $8.50. I originally saw these in stores before Christmas, but at the time I was not going to pay, it didn't even say it, I don't know the regular price, but I was not going to pay that amount. And when I saw it again on clearance, I said, you know what, I'm going to get it. Even though it has the gnome topper and I'm not a fan of the gnomes, I still got it because I'm still going to use it in my Christmas display this year coming, and also I'm planning to use it in my Valentine's Day display. So you guys want to stay tuned for those videos. But those are the 5, correction, I said 4 earlier. They were 5 finds after Christmas, and after I decorated, I found these 5. I still saying 4. So these are what it is. So now let's go back to the undecorating part of the video. So I wanted to show you guys an overview of all of these stuff together. I emptied out these little candy canes and gingerbread man sprinkles for your hot cocoa, because I don't think it's good if you leave them in there. I think they're gonna spoil. So I wanted to show you guys all the rest of my Christmas decor. My Christmas Rae Dunn actually decor. This is all of them. This is all of them. You can see there's a lot of big canisters, a lot.
someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town.
Alright guys, so that was all I could fit in my bin. I still have a bulk here on my countertop and on my stove. I don't know where I'm going to store all of them yet, so I'm not going to continue recording that process. I have to move things around, I have to figure stuff out, I have to put stuff away, and I don't know where they're going to go, so I didn't want to continue the process of putting out, pulling out, fixing in, putting in. It's going to be long, but I do thank y'all for tuning in and watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was fun. It was bittersweet. I did not want to take my Christmas stuff down. I wanted to keep them up for the entire year, but a next season has come upon us, and I will want to decorate for that, so that's one of the reasons too why I'm taking it down. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this journey, so please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I really appreciate you guys for tuning into my videos. It is very heartwarming to see that you guys enjoy it. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell to know when I upload a next video. I hope you enjoy your day. I hope you enjoy your night, your week, your weekend. Please be safe. Peace.